Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and a brutal day here for oil. So updates certainly need to be made here from the technical point of view. First, I'm going to just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, $4.85 is definitely going to be that initial level that you're going to want to watch, and that'll be a good kind of testing point to gauge the strength or lack thereof of any sort of bounce. I mean, sure, the price could bounce, but I mean, it becomes a very valid question. Okay, sure, the price is bouncing, but I mean, is there actually any sort of true power behind there? And yeah, if the price goes up there and then just blasts through there, well, that'd be a great sign that, okay, yeah, there is a lot of power. Or, on the flip side, if the price gets up there and then just rolls right back over, well, at that point, that'd be a signal that, yeah, that was pretty much just, in trading terminology, what we would call a dead cat bounce. So 485, very important from that point of view. Now, as far as next levels of support are concerned, I'm not sure if it hit it today or not. It did actually hit right off that level at $4.50. So 450 going to be that near-term level. And then if 450 cannot quite hold up at that point, would not be shocking at all. See the price drift down there and then close the gap right around the 437 mark. So 450 and then 437, two of the next key levels of support going forward. And then again, 485, key level of resistance. But all in all, anyway, I look at it, very rough movement. And definitely the downwards momentum is back. Not just a question of can the price even get some sideways price movement. So it's not like the price has to go straight up, but even sideways at this point in time, I would still consider a sign of bullishness. So we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.